red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. It's neither alphabets, and first letter A, and hue is red color. This is A for apple. This is B for ball. This is C for cat. This is D for dog. This is E for elephant. This is F for fish. This is G for God. This is H for helicopter. This is I for ice cream. This is J for joker. This is K for kite. This is L for lion. It's neither M. Alphabets of M, and U is blue color. This is M for moon. This is N for nose. This is O for octopus. This is P for parrot. This is Q for queen. It's neither R. The alphabets of R, and hue is yellow color. This is R for rose. This is S for sun. This is T for teacher. This is U for umbrella. This is V for van. This is W for wallet. This is X for xylophone. This is Y for yo-yo. This is Z for zebra. Kids neither numbers, and first you draw 1, and hue is black color. This is 1, O-N-E-1. This is 2, T-W-O-2. This is 3, T-H-R-W-3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Thank you. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. It's neither alphabets, and first letter A, and use green color. This is A for apple. This is B for ball. This is C for cat. This is D for dog. This is E for elephant. This is F for fish. This is G for God. It's neither H. The alphabets of H, and here is yellow color. Yellow color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for orange. This is P. P for parrot. Kids, neither Q. The alphabets of Q and use red color. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. Kids, neither U. The alphabets of U and use blue color. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for zebra. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids, neither numbers and first letter of 1 and use green color. This is 1, O and 1. This is 2, T, W, O 2. This is 3, T, H, R, W, 3. This is 4, F, O, U, R, 4. This is 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids, neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. This is 6. S, I, X, 6. This is 7. S, E, V, E, N, 7. This is 8. E, I, G, H, D, 8. This is 9. N, I, N, E, 9. This is 10. T, E, N, 10. Kids, neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. It's neither 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. Blue color. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is 19. This is 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.